Tangan jari.
Om Swastiastu.
Risik.
Good morning, student. How are you today? I'm fine too, and I'm very happy to meet you today. Thank you. Okay, before we start our lesson today, the leader of the class, please lead the prayer.
Sebelum kita mulai pelajaran pada hari ini, mari kita berdoa sesuai agama dan kepercayaan kita masing-masing. Berdoa dimulai. Berdoa sukses.
Oke, anak-anak, untuk membangkitkan semangat nasionalisme kita, mari kita membiasakan untuk menyanyikan lagu nasional sebelum memulai pembelajaran. Pada hari ini kita akan menyanyikan lagu Garuda Pancasila. Oke? Ya, bisa diikuti? Bisa. Oke. 1, 2, 3, mulai. Garuda Pancasila, akulah pendukungmu, patriot proklamasi, sedia berkorban untukmu. Pancasila dasar negara, rakyat adil makmur sentosa, pribadi bangsaku. Ayo maju, maju, ayo maju, maju, ayo maju, maju. Oke, terima kasih. Oke, so you can sit down now. Thank you. Oke, tadi kita sudah menyanyikan lagu nasional. Nah, anak-anak, untuk membiasakan diri sebagai kebiasaan kita setiap pembelajaran, boleh dicek dulu di sebelah, di sekeliling kalian apakah sudah bersih? Apakah ada sampah? Kalau ada bisa dipukul, disimpan dulu, nanti dibuang ke tong sampah. Sudah bersih? Sudah. Apakah anak-anak sudah merasa nyaman? Sudah. Okay, so now, before we continue our meeting today, we will have dance first. Do you like dance? Do you like dance? Yes. Okay, now, so you need to stand up again. Stand up again. Come on.
Hi, kids. I'm really thirsty. I'd love to have banana juice. Do you want to make banana juice for me? Let's follow me.
Okay, let's follow this video, okay? Go! Banana. Chop! Chop, chop! Shake! Shake! How you shake? Drink! Banana? No more. Banana? Banana? No more. Once again. Banana, peel, peel, banana. Chop! Chop, chop, banana. Shake! Banana. Drink? Banana? No more. Banana? Banana? No more. Okay, let's go faster. Banana, peel, peel, banana. Banana, chop. Shake. Shake, shake. Drink, drink. Banana, banana, no more. Banana, no more. Okay, thank you. Sit down, please. Yes? You wanna go to toilet? Okay, you can. Both of you or just one? Both of you? Okay. 5 minutes enough? Okay, student. Are there any absent today? Who is absent today? Givan, Fahri, Davin, Rama. 4 student. Where is Davin? Davin is 6. Okay, Davin 6. Where's my pen? Davin 6 and then Fahri? Okay. Rama? Rama 6 too? Okay, all of them is sick. Are sick. Okay. Are you ready to learn with me? Ready. Once more, are you ready to learn with me? Ready. Okay. Before we learn, do you remember our last meeting? Masih ingat pertemuan kita sebelumnya? Karya kalian yang terpajang di sini? Masih ingat? Masih. Ngapain kita minggu lalu? Describe animals, and then tadi Miss dengar ada zoo gitu di sini. Oh, you make a mini zoo. Okay. Ada lagi? Membuat video. Video apa? How to describe animals. Yeah. Okay. So, all of you are learned about describing animals. Kalian semua sudah belajar bagaimana cara mendeskripsikan animals. Sudah kan? Sudah paham? Sudah. Oke. Sekarang, setelah anak-anak belajar mendeskripsikan animals, kita akan belajar bagaimana sih cara untuk protect the animals atau menjaga hewan-hewan yang ada. Kemarin kan kalian sudah belajar bagaimana mendeskripsikan apa saja animals yang ada di Indonesia. Now, how we can take care of the animals, how we can protect of the animals. Are you understand? Okay. Oke, sebelum itu adapun learning goals atau tujuan pembelajaran kita pada hari ini, yaitu murid dapat menuliskan paragraf sederhana dengan mendeskripsikan teks tentang misi penyelamatan hewan-hewan yang ada di Indonesia. Kemudian tujuan yang kedua atau goals yang kedua yaitu diharapkan murid atau anak-anak semua bisa menyampaikan secara lisan tentang hewan endemik Indonesia dengan menggunakan bahasa yang tepat nantinya. Secara lisan berarti kalian nanti menyampaikan apakah dengan tulis atau speaking ya. Oke, thank you. Next, I will give you the video. Sebelum memulai, misalkan putarkan sebuah video mengenai hewan yang ada di Indonesia ya. What you need to do, you just need to listen carefully, and when you have a question, you can write it and then ask to me after the video stop. Okay? Can you listen this?
Yes.
Okay, Kurnia and Tisna, please watch this video.
misfits. But around every corner, battles are fought. These are the lions of monsters. There are many kinds of plants and animals that used to exist on Earth but are no longer alive today. They are extinct, like dinosaurs. Today, the only things we have left of dinosaurs are bones or fossils. And the same is true for thousands of other species. So, what happened to them? And why do plants and animals go extinct in the first place? Let's find out. The world is full of different plant and animal species. A species is a certain group of living organisms that share common traits and can reproduce or create more members with each other. And when a species is no longer able to reproduce, it becomes extinct. Extinction is usually something that happens slowly, over a long period of time. But sometimes it can happen super fast, over a short period of time. This is called mass extinction. And that is what happened to the dinosaurs. About 65 million years ago, most scientists believed that nearly all of the species that had been alive on Earth, including the dinosaurs, disappeared at the same time because of a large asteroid that collided with the Earth. There are also species that have become extinct when they lose their ability to adapt to changes in the environment. Phased predators no longer have access to the food they need to survive. This is the kind of extinction we mentioned earlier that takes place slowly over a long period of time. Here's a fascinating fact. Humans can be a direct cause of extinction. Behaviors like overhunting, habitat destruction, and moving non-native species into an area where they are not usually found are the main ways this happens. For example, let us take a look at the dodo bird. The dodo bird died out because it became food for non-native species, like pigs and cats, which were moved by humans into the dodo's habitat. Today, these whales are facing extinction because humans are overhunting them. Polar bears, too, are threatened, but dying out because climate change is affecting their habitat. Plants also face extinction, and at a much faster rate than animals. In fact, more than 8 plant species have disappeared every 3 years, on average, since the year 1900. That is a much faster extinction rate than that of animals. Human activities like cutting down forests or deforestation contribute to these plants dying out.
Okay, I saw some of you are tears. What do you feel? What do you feel after watch the video? Before you are happy, I saw. And then you like, what happened with you? What happened with you? Sad? Why you are sad?
Because the animals apa namanya dilihat dari video itu kayak punah gitu.
Okay. The animal endangered will be endangered. Okay. And the other student, do you have another opinion? And Daru said he is sad because he saw at the video an elephant and the other animals become endangered atau kemungkinan akan punah seperti tadi ya di akhir video. Ada lagi yang lain yang punya pendapat berbeda? What do you think about the video after you watch? Miss dengar Miss gitu di mana yang ngomong? Di mana? Siapa? Ya, yuk nak. Louder please. Kerasin. Duduk aja cukup, tapi kerasin. Boleh.
Saya merasa sedih karena saya lihat di video tadi hewan tersebut banyak yang tidak dipedulikan oleh manusia.
Okay. So you are sad because some animals, people don't care about some animals. And how about the other student? Thank you. Rehan ya, benar ya? Oke. Okay. The other student. Ya, yuk nak. Jangan malu-malu, Miss dah lihat tadi tangannya kayak gini. Gimana? Ya. Ya, bagaimana pendapatmu mengenai video tersebut? Sedih? Oh, kenapa bisa sedih? Oke. Banyak hewan yang hampir punah. Some of the animals is threatened. Ya. Oke. Kira-kira sebagai generasi penerus bangsa nih, anak-anak kan sebagai generasi penerus bangsa, apa sih yang anak-anak harus lakukan untuk menyelamatkan hewan-hewan kita, hewan-hewan Indonesia? Ya, Rizky?
Menurut saya itu kita lebih karena memberikan hewan-hewan seperti pada yang tidak memburu hewan sekalian.
Okay. So we as a people don't need to apa berburu dalam bahasa Inggrisnya? Ya, cannot hunting the animals. Ya, jadi itu pembelajaran juga untuk anak-anak. Bagaimana kita take care about our animals. Kira-kira kita perlu nggak animals anak-anak? Untuk apa? Untuk mempelajarinya lebih lanjut. Untuk ekosistem. Kalian belajar di IPA kan? Ya, untuk menjaga keseimbangan ekosistem. Kita memerlukan animals, memerlukan tumbuhan, so we need to take care of our animals. Ya. Oke, tadi Miss udah mencatat highlight poinnya. We need to take care. How you can take care? Rizky jawab, don't hunting the animals. Selain don't hunting, apa yang bisa kalian lakukan? Apa? Take care about our environment. Good. Di sini, tadi sini udah, sini. Apa yang harus kita lakukan? Apa? Louder please.
Untuk menjaganya itu kita harus memperkembangbiakan
Oke.
agar generasi hewan yang lama itu bisa bertumbuh terus.
Okay, so the animals can grow faster and then can have a child, gitu maksudnya gue ngarya ya. Jadi bisa tumbuh dan berkembang dengan baik animals kita. Di belakang bisa dilihat. Ya nak.
Pertambahan cara menjaganya itu kita memberikan kehidupan yang layak untuk hewan-hewan kita buat
Oke. Memberikan kehidupan yang layak. Oke. Next. Tadi udah. Why should we care about the animals? Next. How can I speak or how can you speak about animals who cannot speak at all? Jadi bagaimana sih cara kita sebagai manusia untuk membicarakan nih, untuk bisa menjaga animals kita. Mereka kan nggak bisa bersuara, anak aku sakit, mereka nggak bisa. I'm sad, I'm threatened, mereka nggak bisa bersuara. Siapa yang punya tugas untuk menyuarakan itu? Siapa? Siapa? Ragu? Humans, oke. Bagaimana? How you can speak about the animals? Bagaimana kalian bisa menyuarakan suara dari hewan tersebut? Tadi sangat menyayat ya. Bahkan Miss lihat beberapa yang sampai gitu. Nah, bagaimana nih caranya? Do you have a plan? How we can take care about the animals? How can we speak about the animals cannot speak for themselves? How can we speak?
Cara kita menyuarakan itu seperti mengedukasi para pemburu yang dulunya sering memburu hewan-hewan liar itu menjadi tidak memburu lagi karena kita mengedukasinya dengan benar dan baik.
Oke, give applause to Gong Arya. So, Gong Arya said, we need to educate. We need to educate all of the people or some people who threaten the animals. So, they will have a knowledge to take care about the animals. Jadi, kita perlu mengedukasi nih. Kalau kalian misalnya nggak bersekolah, tidak tahu untuk menjaga animals itu sangat penting. Jadi kalian bisa aja berburu sesuai mau kalian, tapi kalian tidak tahu bahwa itu berbahaya. Nah, tugas kalian sekarang adalah educate. Benar, seperti apa yang Gong Arya bilang, we can educate some people to take care about the animal, don't threaten, don't hunt the animals, kayak gitu. Oke? Bagaimana cara kalian mengedukasi? Nah, gimana? How you can educate? How you can educate? Let's think. You as a student, you can educate some people, but how? Do you have a way for educate the other people? Back? I think you are still thinking because you like this. Come on. Gimana caranya? How you can educate?
Seperti memperlihatkan video-video hewan yang tersakiti agar tidak menyakitinya lagi.
Okay, so you show some video about threatens animal, hunting animals. Where you can show the video? Where you can share? Where? Do you have a platform? Media sosial, ya, good job. Jadi kita bisa educate from our media sosial. Do you have social media? Yes. Do you use it for educate? Can you educate some people by your social media? Yes or no? Yes. Dengan cara apa? Create a video or poster to? Okay, good. To educate some people to take care about our animals. Good job, students. So now, setelah tadi sudah cerah ya, sudah belajar kalian ya, sudah tercerahkan. Oh, iya ya, kita harus menjaga seperti itu. Next, I will divide you for some group. Do you remember your own group before? Remember? Okay, let's sit with your groups. I will give you some question. Oh, sudah? So here I have a different worksheet. I have six worksheet. So in a group, we'll answer this worksheet. Here is a blank. The question only five, yeah. And then here is the word. You can choose which word is suitable for number 1, which word is suitable for number 2, which word is suitable for all of this question. So you just take the word in the blank and give to the blank here. Just 5 questions. And here also it's a barcode, but you cannot scan it yet. Then later you can scan it. I will give your handphone. But now you just need to apa? To answer the blank, yeah. The first group. Which one the first group? Here, right? Okay. Next, second group. Third group. Fourth group. Sixth group, right? 5 group. Let's answer it just from number 1 until 5. You just need to choose the correct word. Ya, kalian tinggal memilih. Sudah ada kata di atas. Anak-anak hanya tinggal memilih saja. Do you have another question? Do you have any question? No? Can you answer it? Yeah, let's answer it. I will give you 5 minutes. It is enough? 5 minutes, it is enough? Enough or no? Enough, okay. Ya.
Ini jawabnya di sini. Or in here.
Ya, in here. For example, this one. These animals are rarely. What's the meaning of rarely? Blank, walking on the ground. Yang mana yang cocok? Which one? Ya, jawab dulu. Nggak usah, ini aja, di sini aja. Ya. Which one?
Ininya, kanannya.
Oh, ini anak-anak jawab dulu, nanti baru ini bisa di-scan. Untuk ini cuma untuk melihat animals apa yang ditunjukkan untuk itu. Seperti yang Miss bilang tadi. Nah, jawabnya, it is blank, the faunal symbol of an island. Apa? Iya. Do you have a problem? No? Oh, you already answered until number 3. Good job. Do you have a problem? Wait a moment. I'm still here. This animal is born as a symbol of good luck and protection. Okay. Number 2. Its skin is apa? Nih, skin smooth gray stones without patterns. Skin apa? Covered.
Miss, nomor yang ini sama ini apa ya, Miss?
Which one? Lid. Okay.
Oh, oke.
Name itu
Nama
sering disebut ya nama.
nomor 3. After the island of Java, where is life?
Yes. You already answered it? Okay, good job. Group 6 is finished. Yeah. What happened? Which one? This one, number 2. A single bead is often bound by deep to the venom and bacteria. Which one the answer? A single bead. What's the meaning? Okay. Yeah, good. Detect. You already?
Yes.
Okay. What do you think? What animals is this? By this explanation, the population is estimated to be fewer than.
4.000 kira-kira tuh apa namanya binatang ini kira-kira dapat
Ah.
dapat
Kira-kira binatang apa ini?
mungkin semacam
Wait. Let's think. Okay, let's think. What do you think? What animal is this by this description? Yeah. Kira-kira animals apa? This is born as a symbol of good luck and protection. Animals apa? Skin covered in smooth grayish. Grayish itu warnanya apa? Water is scourged particularly by males to attract females. Their babies are. Kira-kira hewan apa? Semut mungkin 12 kilo? Enggak. Apa kira-kira babynya aja 12 kilo? Around-nya? Okay, let's think. Ya, nanti kalian bisa scan untuk jawabnya. Ya, wait a moment. What happened? Already. Okay, now you need to think about what animals from this description. What you guess? Yeah. Already? Okay. So now you need to think what animal from this description. You need to guess. Let's guess together. These animals are rarely found walking on the ground. Kira-kira apa dari sentence to sentence-nya? Kira-kira animals apa itu? Okay, student, after you finish, I think all of you are finished. After you finish it, there are some description there. Ada beberapa deskripsi ya, ada 5 deskripsi yang sudah kalian temukan. Next, you need to guess what animal is on your worksheet. For example, group 6 already know what animal on their worksheet from the description. Jadi anak-anak tinggal guess saja, tinggal think, tinggal anak-anak memikirkan kira-kira animals apa sih dengan karakteristik yang seperti ini, dengan description yang seperti ini. What do you think? For example, you think it's elephant, maybe. You think it's lion, maybe. You think it's jalak, maybe bird or another animals. Let's think. Di sana kan ada banyak sekali kalimat per kalimat ya, yang bisa mengerucut. Yang bisa mengerucut. Misalkan, kelompok 1 dia dapat yang di ground. Ada ular, selain ular mungkin juga cacing, mungkin juga storm. Selain snake, kira-kira yang mengerucut sampai bawah itu masuknya ke animals apa sih? Let's guess. And you also can think your last project. Your last project, kalian sudah membuat kan? Kalian bisa mengingat kembali. Ini tutup pulpennya siapa dari tadi? Jatuh terus. Disimpan ya? Nggak tahu, dibuang aja nanti. Ya, what do you want to ask?
Berarti satu kalimat ini beda-beda ya, Pak?
No. Same. Same.
Krokodil.
You found the answer. Just one animals from your worksheet, students. Okay, group 1 already found it. Their animal is crocodile. Group 6 also found. What's your animal? Elephant. Another student, do you found your animals? I mean your animals at worksheet. Ya. Komodo. Okay. Oh. Which one orangutan? Okay. Both of them has 2 different answer. Sebelumnya mereka jawab apa? Crocodile. And then now he answer orangutan. What the answer? Let's check. Crocodile dah.
Kan udah orang hutan tadi.
Okay, another student? Masih mencari di buku, good. Bisa kalian cek di buku sambil. Di buku kan ada beberapa pilihan animalsnya, ya. Oke.
Boleh kayaknya.
Ya, nih. Beautiful sounds. Kira-kira apa beautiful sounds?
So,
Ini ada kata kuncinya.
ini suara
Ya, kira-kira apa itu?
dari hewannya itu.
Ya, hewan apa kira-kira yang punya suara yang bagus? Beautiful sound. Selain ini, bisa dilihat lagi yang lain. Intensive breeding programs has been marketed to save the species. Breeding programs, kira-kira apa? Hewan apakah di sana? Ya? What group you are? Group 3, okay. What's your problem? Yeah, I'm back. Yeah. Do you found? You already found it? What's your animal? Group 1 crocodile, group 6 elephant, and then komodo, bekantan, and then group 2 not yet. Group 3? Jalak Bali, okay. Group 2? You need to, okay, I will give you time. Oh, what happened with my laptop? Okay. Yeah. Group 2? You done? Yeah. You got your animals, your own animals? What's your own animal from the worksheet? Lutung mentawai. Okay, thank you. So all of you already got your animals, right? Next, here. So after this, you can scan what's animal at your worksheet, and then, as I said before, all of you has different worksheet. Next. You will have animal rescue card. So before that, I will give you your phone. Maybe 2 phone in one group. It is enough. Okay. Let's take 2 phone in a one group. Just 2 phone. Nggak ada kuota. Yang ada kuota, nanti kalian akan create something. Ya, you need to write something and create something. Just 2 phone ya. Miss akan kirim ke grup, ke English group ya. Sebentar. Oke, Miss sudah kirim ke grup anak-anak. Bisa dicek? Grup kelas, grup English. Ketemu? Centang 1 sebentar. Ketemu? Bisa keklik linknya? Bisa keklik linknya? Oke, bisa. You can access it? Oke. Okay, all of you already can access the link. I will give you what you need to do now. Okay, so student, please pay attention. Hello. Hi. Okay. Can we continue? Okay. So now, all of you will make animal rescue card. Animal rescue card. Kira-kira bagaimana? Apa yang kira-kira terbersit dalam pikiran kalian? Apa yang akan anak-anak buat? Deskripsikan cara untuk. Okay. So, di tahap sebelumnya tadi kalian sudah menentukan hewan kalian apa dari beberapa description text or description about the animals. You already know what animal you will take care or you will make a rescue. So the first group will make a rescue card about crocodile, and then the second group will make a rescue card of lutung mentawai, and the others student too, based on your animals before. Ngerti? Okay. So, do you familiar with Canva? Bisa? Familiar dengan Canva? Okay. So, you will make an animal rescue card. You need to insert a photo or image, and then you need to make a sentence how you can rescue the animals. For example, group 3, it's about jalak putih. You can type about jalak putih here. Bisa? And put the image or also the photo. Silahkan bisa disisipkan di Canva tersebut. Ngerti apa yang harus dikerjakan? Oke. Singkat saja anak-anak, ini adalah misi penyelamatan hewan. Hewan apa yang kalian selamatkan? Hewan kalian masing-masing yang sudah tadi anak-anak guess atau think atau baca atau sudah kalian diskusikan gitu dari LKPD yang sebelumnya, dari lembar kerja yang sebelumnya. Bisa? Bisa. Perlu kode akses ya? Ya. Okay, here is the code. The first group, the code access is, wait a moment. The first group, the code access is OR04. Group 2, the code access is PST12. 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 Oke. Besar-besar. Ini angka, ini huruf besar, capital letter. Dan group 4, BK12. Already? Okay. Group 3, your code is GL45. Group 5, you can open it. Your code is KM16. The last group is OJ35. OJ35. Yeah? Wait a moment, I will check. GL, capital letter. GL45. Okay. Can you open it? GL45. Do you have another phone? GL45. Already? Yeah. Oh, you are so JL45? GL. Sorry. I give you a wrong code. It's little bit same the color, but it's different. You ask grayish, so the first thing you think it's elephant because it's gray, but no, it's about Javan gibbon. What's that? Okay. Jadi anak-anak bisa mengumpulkan informasi bagaimana kalian mengumpulkan misi penyelamatan itu. Kalian bisa mengumpulkan informasi dan silahkan membuat misi penyelamatan itu. Sudah bisa kebuka semua anak-anak? Sudah. Oke, Miss akan jelaskan lebih lagi. Tadi Miss masih cek anak-anak sudah bisa masuk apa belum? Sudah semua bisa masuk? You already can access? Okay, now you can make a rescue card. A rescue card, it's, for example, you choose about activist. Jadi kalian akan membuat aktivitas. Kalian akan sebagai aktivis atau apa artinya aktivis? Halo. Jadi bagaimana kalian bisa stand atau bisa menjadikan diri kalian seolah-olah aktivis untuk misi penyelamatan itu. Di sini kalian akan, ketika kalian memilih animals, kalian sebagai animals, kalian akan pretend you are like animals, describe your body, your home, gitu. Dan kemudian your conservationist. You will speak about the scientist, bagaimana penemuan-penemuan tentang hewan tersebut, kayak gitu. Jadi kalian bisa memilih salah satunya kalian akan sebagai apa. Kalian akan membuat misi penyelamatan tersebut. Paham? Ada yang boleh memilih kalian sebagai aktivis, kalian menyuarakan suara kalian sebagai aktivis untuk menjelaskan how urgent that animal is. How or why we need to take care of this animal. Kayak gitu. Kalau kalian memilih you will be an animal, misalkan kalian menjadi si jala itu atau si bekantan itu, kalian akan pretend you are like an animal. I live at a forest. Sometimes people come and hunting me. People like to eat me, kayak gitu misalnya. Jadi bagaimana kalian seolah-olah sebagai animals tersebut. Okay, you got a point? You got a point? Yes. So, let's continue. Dari description yang tadi kalian bisa tambahkan, bisa sisipkan, tinggal di input beberapa sentence saja ke Canva dengan menyisipkan some picture or some image. Oh, Udah selesai? Nih, belum. You can open. Which one? Yeah. You also can read your book and can search some information. This one. So you need to, this one your animals. You can open your Canva and then just design it. Yeah, yeah. Okay.
Nanti kita jadi
Yeah, you're welcome. Already? Already? Which one? Which one? Which one your animals? This one? Yeah. Just copy it. Yeah. Already done? Done? Group 1 is done. Okay, good job. Give applause for group 1. Just 5 minutes. They can answer it. How many sentence you make? 5 sentence? Wow, it's good. How about the other group? Already? Already done? Done? Okay, so the first group you need to learn now, and then you need to present your work in front of the class. Just a quick presentation. Yeah. Okay, you can prepare yourself first. Already done? Do you have a problem? No. This one your animals, and then you already open the Canva. Okay, and which one your Canva? Okay, you done? Done. And then? Oh, you just need to put the picture. And then now you need to prepare yourself for present it in front of the class. Just a quick presentation. What happened? Just a quick presentation. You done? Done? Okay, prepare yourself for a presentation. Okay. Yeah. What happened? You are back. Do you have another lesson after this? No? All of you already finished? The last group, not yet? This group? Already finished? You finish it? Finish? Not yet? Finish. Okay, just group 2 and group 6 need more time. Yeah, you can do it. Mm-mm. Okay, for group who already finished it, let's prepare yourself for a quick presentation in front of the class. Group 2 and group 6, you already done? Done? Okay. Group 6, how about you? You already done? Not yet? Which one? Good job. So now prepare yourself for a quick presentation. Ready? Ah? No. I walk to some group and you know what I hear from you is nggak bisa bahasa Inggris, Miss bisa cuma dikit, nggak mau presentasi. What happened with you guys? Let's prepare yourself. Do you know English is habit? You know habit? What the meaning with habit? Kebiasaan. English is habit, English is fun. Let's learn English. Already done? Already done? Okay, just one of you who want to present your work? Who want to present your work? Just one group? Okay, group 1, come on.
Good afternoon, Miss and all my friends.
Good afternoon.
We are from group 1 and I want to present about the animals orangutan. Before that, we will introduce myself. Hello, my name is Agnes Suma. You can call me Agnes. I'm number 1.
Hello, my name is Michelle Bernard. You can call me Michelle. My absent number is 20.
Hello everyone, my name is Surendra Pramana. You can call me Rehat. My number is 28.
My name is Terapi Pradama. You can call me Raditya.
Sumatera, and Tapanuli orangutan.
Now, for their distinctive red orange hair and remarkable intelligence, orangutan are among our close relatives, sharing approximately 97% of their DNA with humans. They are primarily arboreal, spending most of their time in trees.
Additional information. Scientific name Homo meus, Homo habilis, Homo tampanensis,
Mm-mm.
habitat tropical rainforest.
Omnivore, primarily with good outdoor insects, live seperti California interview untuk safety
Okay, so you stand like an activist, right? Okay, and then
conservation status critically endangered.
The location where
the other student, please listen to your friend.
An interesting fact, the name orangutan means person of the forest in Malay. That's all from our group, and thank you.
Thank you. So you can ask some questions to your friend. Do you have a question? No? No? So because all of you didn't have a question, I will just ask you just to clarify and how you can take care of the orangutan. What's your answer? How you take care it and how you can stand? You stand like activist? You already describe it before and explain it? Okay, wait, Rizky. Ya, Rehan? Ya.
Yaitu dengan cara dan memberikan tempat yang siap.
Okay, so you educate some people to don't hunt orang utan at the forest, and we need to take care of the animals. Okay, I think that's enough. Please give applause for group 1. Thank you, group 1. Sit down, please. And then now, student, let's remember about your group work. I already said before how you can educate people. You said we can educate people from our social media, right? Yeah. So for the group who don't have any presentation today, you need to have a video for for educate some people or for educate someone by using your social media. Itu tugas anak-anak nantinya. Kan kalian sudah membuat nih rescue-nya. Silahkan kirim ke link yang Miss kirimkan di grup tadi, ya. Silahkan kirimkan ke link. Nanti kalian educate from your social media. Sebelumnya satu grup sudah mewakili di depan, sudah mengedukasi kita how we can take care about the apa? Orangutan. Good job. Miss akan berikan waktu 5 hari cukup? 5 days? Cukup. Jadi sisa kelompoknya silahkan nanti membuat video di rumah masing-masing, mengedukasi, ya. Do you have another question? No. So now, what do you have? What do you need to do? You need to make a reflection. I will share the link. Please take your phone. You need to make it on a Padlet. Yeah, take all of the phone, please. I will share the link, students. Okay, I already shared the link, the Padlet link. You can give your reflection. What do you have learned? Do you have something to ask or something to clarify? I will check here. Maybe someone already typed. Jadi nanti kalian akan bisa lihat di depan ya mengenai Padletnya. Siapa saja yang sudah ngisi. What happened? You can type in English or you can type it in Indonesia. Your answer I can calculate your answer and I can show it. Keisha already. Rehan. Okay, I will show you. So here is your reflection. Agnes already, Maria, and then Sri Cynthia, Yogi. Yeah. Yeah. So some people still type it. You want to go to toilet? Okay. Four people go to toilet.
Today, take care of the animals. Rescue the animal. How you rescue the animals? The other student. Educate. Educate another people too. Okay, educate another people to take care of the animal because some of them is treated. Yeah. And then the other student, what you have learned? Bagaimana perasaannya hari ini? Okay. When you are happy, please give 2 thumbs. And when you still need to think, just have 1 thumb. And then when you are sad or you didn't understand about our today's meeting, just give like this. How are you today? 2 thumbs, all of you 2 thumbs. Do you have another question of our meeting? You are happy? Really? Really? Okay. So now after this we need to what we need to do after the lesson? We need to do okay. Anyone, can you conclude our meeting today? Can you conclude our meeting today? Bisa menyimpulkan? Apa? Tadi sudah refleksinya, kalian semua bahagia, kita sudah belajar bagaimana take care, bagaimana protect the animals. Now, apa sih kesimpulan meeting kita pada hari ini? Can you conclude our meeting? Okay? Louder please. Yeah, you can say it out.
Kesimpulannya saya dapat dari pembelajaran kali ini, kita dapat mengetahui cara bagaimana sih cara kita merawat hewan dan juga peduli kita terhadap hewan tersebut.
Ya? Good.
Sebagai kesimpulannya itu kita bukan tentang menjaga hewan bukan hanya untuk satu spesies tapi untuk menjaga keseimbangan ekosistem yang ada di tanah air.
Like this. Okay. Okay, one more Rizky.
Sebagai kesimpulan hari ini saya mendapatkan pembelajaran itu untuk menjaga hewan itu bukan hanya satu spesies melainkan kita juga bisa menjaga keseimbangan ekosistem yang ada di alam.
Okay, good job. Please give applause. We already learned how we need to take care of all of the animals. So it's not only one animal and one animal we need to take care. So we need to take care of all of the animals. Why we need to take care? Because we need to have our environment, balanced environment. And balance apa tadi? Iya, keseimbangan. Ya benar, balance itu keseimbangan ekosistem. So we have balance ecosystem. The animals is grown very well. You also as a human grow very well and take care of the animals. Yeah, and then don't forget you have a homework to educate people, some people at your social media. for today's meeting? No? No? Okay. So, for today's meeting is 2 thumbs up or 1 or no? Yeah. So thank you, student. Give a clap. So, I will give you a sentence because I hear nggak bisa bahasa Inggris, Miss. So, English is a habit, student. We need to speak